Okay, a vision to unclog the court system. This is Kim Richardson's vision. I hope you share the same vision. The court system is really clogged. However, over time, and I can talk firsthand, I was a police officer for 27 years. I went in at 17 years of age, I graduated at 20, and I served in the Special Task and Rescue, Operations Planning, but also I had a stint of 3 years as a police youth officer. Through my experience, I saw family conferencing was introduced during that period. What I would love to see, and it's a little bit controversial, and before I say that first offenders are going straight to court, yes, we might refer them straight to court, but not a conviction. Not in any way a conviction. First-time offenders, juvenile offenders, between 11 years of age and 17 years of age, for drug use, marijuana, graffiti, driving offences, directed straight to the court system, but then referred to JPs. Now this is where it gets unclogging of the court system. The JPs will actually be retired police officers. The retired police officers that I know firsthand, they would love to be still doing something. They fall away from the system and they feel actually like they still would like to serve. So by putting them as JPs, first-time offenders referred to the JPs, no conviction recorded. However, the JPs then find out the social circumstances of the child and also of his or her circumstances where she lives. Are there issues at home? Do family and community services need to get involved? Do drug and alcohol rehabilitation need to get involved? So therefore there's a family conference and or a referral to those areas. And that way, not only do we unclog the system, but we also give first-time offenders perhaps a real significant scare, but more importantly, give them choices to make better choices in the future. And that's what I'd love to see.